Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the new Kwikset Halo Select.
Select and Kwikset sent us this for the review.
All right, so this is a Wi-Fi and Matter-enabled smart lock.
Well, that's kind of cool. I'm
Neat.
looking forward to trying that out. Let's open it up.
All right. Oh, it's heavy. So we have a lot of Kwikset locks we have tried over the years, and they're really sturdy, and we recommend them a lot. So this is the kind of the newest generation of the Halo line.
All right, Halo Select. Guess that's why they have the little thing there. Oh my gosh, look at all the stuff they got here. So, little tag. And the lock.
There's the lock. That's really nice looking.
It's not bad. So, is it a touchpad?
It's a touchpad.
And a key.
And it's got a key. Do I get to rip this off?
Take it off.
My favorite part.
All right. So,
nice and shiny.
You look at it, there's this piece goes through the door so you can lock it. And it's pretty heavy duty. So that's pretty nice.
This is the inside of the lock. All the magic happens. And this is the, looks like it takes 4 batteries. Are those AAA or AA?
Oh, I think they're AA. It has the thing in the back. There's a place where we have to connect a connector, I'm sure. From the front to the back. I guess that's this one here.
Regulatory stuff. And then boxes 1, 2, and 3.
I'm sure that goes what's in the directions. So
very handy.
All right, here's box number 1. Well, does this answer your question?
Oh, AA's.
AA batteries.
Duracells. Fancy.
Nice, right? And this is the strike. All right, and 2 more batteries. That's a total of 4 batteries go in there, and a bunch of screws. And I think we want to keep them organized by the box number.
By the box number. That sounds like a good idea.
All right, that's number 1. Number 2. That's the strike plate, in case you need to replace that. Hopefully we won't have to. All right, and sensor magnet. Look at this thing. It's a little tiny thing.
Little tiny thing. So this
but
has
the sensor magnet is nice and thin. You know what that's for?
What?
So you know when the door's closed.
Well, that's smart.
And it's a nice thin magnet, so it actually probably will fit in the door jamb when it needs to be done. And then they give you short screws and really long screws in case you really want to make sure things are secure. Box number 3. Screws. This looks like what you hook this up on the door. A couple of more machine screws. Inside plate. This is probably where, yeah, this one here. This probably mounts on the door, and then this hooks onto here.
Okay.
Okay, that's my guess.
Well, that's step number 3.
And
keys.
Keys to give it 2 cute-looking, gold-looking or brass-looking keys. That's nice. They'll look a little pick-like thing because it's Kwikset. It means you can change your lock. You can kind of set it to a different key.
Oh, that's cool. So you can use the key you already have.
I think so.
If it's a Kwikset key.
All right, so that's everything that comes in the box. But it's pretty simple.
Yeah.
Well built. I don't know if I like the plastic cover, but I guess it's probably because the radio's in there. You know, the thread radio for this. So, but it works with Matter. Can't wait to try it out with Matter.
Yeah.
This will be our first Matter lock. I think so. No.
No.
All right. It's not our first Matter lock. Okay, so shows what I remember.
All right, so we're going to go set it up and show you how it works.